Hello, my loves. Welcome po sa ating late night reading with TikkiHope Tarot. Max. Tinitingnan ko lang po kung pwede po ako maging DJ. Sound check, sound check. Sinasabi nila mahina daw yung boses or mahina daw yung video. Pero may mic naman po akong gamit. So, siguro adjust na lang po natin yung ating settings. Okay? So, hindi po ako makatulog. At guess what? Nahanap ko ang aking isa sa mga one of my very first decks, no? One of the first na binili ko, Faeries Oracle, Brian Frouds. So, tingnan natin. Gamitin natin for the collective. Siguro bedtime story natin ito dahil late night. Let's see. Messages from the fairies, please. Bedtime story from the fairies. And outcome, last card. Tama na daw. Masyado ko daw pinapagod ang sarili ko. Buksan ko na daw yung mga baraha dahil this is what I need. 4 cards. There you go. Situation. First card natin, we have Ipona's Wild Laughter. Card number 54. Kakaiba ang mga pangalan nila, no? Mga fairies. Elementals. Situation. Ano ba ito? Ano ba itong posisyon na to? You're trying out a new bagong position. Siguro nagwo-workout kayo. Exercise. Talaga. Tuwad. Bakit kayo nakaano dito? Somebody wants to bend you over. Somebody wants to bend over. Okay? Parang being with you is like, wow. Isa kang anghel, hulog ng langit. Gift from above. Okay? You give them definitely wild thoughts. Someone is having wild thoughts about you. Babae or lalaki ka man. Pero babae itong nakatuwad. So I'm thinking this is masculine energy. Ang challenge is, natatakot silang sabihin sa inyo kung okay lang ba na i-fulfill nyo siguro one of their sexual fantasies about you. Kung ano talaga yung pantasya nila about you. Wild thought about you. Natatakot sila kung paano nila sasabihin sa ito. Pero merong gustong mag-request. Okay? What you need to know, he of the fiery sword. He of the fiery sword. Sandata. Matagal nang matigas yung sandata nila. Okay? Matagal na silang nagtitimpe. Parang, ito yung parang pinaka-request, wish nila. And ang outcome natin, Liz of the Shadows. Oh, parang please release me. Liz. Wild thoughts. Okay? Wow. Tingnan natin. Since we're talking about fairies, let's talk about, let's bring out the flowers and the bees. The birds and the bees, the animal kingdom. Wild, wild thoughts naman. Let's see. Wisdom of the Night Oracle. Hope. Please. Feeling nila hihindian mo. Baka merong mahilig dito, the back way. Oh my gosh, anal. Merong no judgment. Lahat naman tayo dito adults. I guess no holds barred reading, kaya nga late night. Celebration. It would really make them happy. Kung ia-allow mo sila to pop your cherry. Okay? So either first, matagal na nilang dream to. Or gusto nila ganitong position. Okay. Pwede bang pwede ba? Wow. Napapahinto ako, sorry. Nahi-hypnotize ako sa ganda niya, sa katawan niya. So, sobra nilang ina-idolize yung katawan mo. Release. Kailangan na nilang mag-ejaculate. As in, kailangan na nilang labasan. Matagal na siguro silang walang sex. Tapos, masakit na yung pantog nila. Parang, andyan pa ba to? Gusto ko lang malaman kung gumagana pa. Nahihirapan silang tigasan. Siguro from previous partner or di kaya naman ay wala nang excitement yung sex para sa kanila. Kung nasan man sila ngayon. Parang, please, release me. Kung sino man yung kinakasama nila, o di kaya they're not having any. Walang sex. Okay? Nothing. Kasi ikaw lang gusto nila eh. Hala, may nagagalit. May gustong huminto. May nagsiselos. Uy, seloso. Bawal magalit. Bawal. Kung hindi nakaka-resonate, labas. To the left. Click out. Marami pong show, palabas, na pwede niyong panoorin. Okay lang. Huwag lang natin guluhin ang ating reading. So, someone needs release. May natabig. Tabi-tabi po. Matuto daw bumusina. Okay? Merong nasa-shock sa messages. Siguro shocking sa inyo na nanggagaling to from TikkiHope. Pero ito kasi yung message ng mga barahang to. Compassion. Please release me, let me go. Okay. Parang release me from this pain, release me from, matagal na silang nagsisinungaling, matagal na silang, I don't know, meron silang denial. They have been denying themselves or self-sacrifice. Ano ba itong Ace of Swords in the reverse? Okay? Energy. Yung sandata nila retreat. Hindi ginagamit. Hindi nila masyadong ginagamit. Gusto nila malaman kung gumagana pa. Okay? So, kung maaari, kailangan nila yung tulong mo. They're at your mercy. They're begging. Kung pwede, bayad ka. Payag ka bang tumuwad? I'm really hoping. Ano ba? Hala, pwede rin ito Kung karmic reading naman ito, merong nahuli, nasa preso, takot na takot sila kasi patutuwarin sila. Oh no, umurong yung bedlogs nila, umurong lahat ng bayag nila. Wala na silang ano ngayon, wala silang lakas. Gulp, lagot ang puwet ko. Sorry, tabi-tabi po, matutong bumusina. And yeah, nag-out of body experience sila, nagde-dream sila na sana makawala sila rito. Okay? Begging for mercy. Ibalik niyo ako. Ibalik niyo ako sa bahay. Uwi niyo na ako. Gusto ko na umuwi. Nay, tay. Okay? Parang may ganung energy rin. Ewan ko. Kaya, nun yung bumagsak yung baraha eh. Pero hopefully wala na sila. Nag-exit na. Now, let's see. Hope. Clarify Epona's wild laughter. Meron tao rito ayaw na masaya ka. Inggit na inggit sila na masaya ka. Pero nag-exit na yon. Hopefully, we have Hanged Man, Pisces energy, and the Chariot card, Cancer energy. So urgent, fast movement, where it has been stuck or stagnant before, ano man yung nag-reach na plateau, relationship nyo man ito, or itong wish na to, kinailangan yung isuspend. Or someone here was having sobrang wild thoughts. Out of this world na, okay? Kailangan na silang hulihin ng pulis, okay? Illegal na yung ginagawa nila. Alright. Challenge. Eight of Wands. Attack. Inatakin din nila kayo dahil jealous nga sila. At jealousy attack. Panic attack. Maari din. Nataranta. Hindi nila, parang gusto nila kayong talunin eh. Meron tao rito about a game. Bukod sa inyong sexy thoughts with your person, merong dark energy na mahuhuli na nakikipag-compete sa inyo. Okay? Page of Pentacles, merong balita, good news, or merong parang opportunity to fix something. Merong maaayos rito. Four of Wands, regarding home, family. Okay? Home, family situation, o kaya joy and stability. So, baka meron kayong pang down payment, meron bibili ng bahay. Ito na yung down payment nyo. You're winning here. Six of Pentacles. You have all the support. At saka merong payout. May handout kayo rito. Fairness, equality, balancing of anumang sitwasyon na to. Also, your person, the one that you are having wild thoughts about. Okay? Gusto na nilang i-release yung balita at sabihin sa'yo na they want to marry you. Okay? Have equal give and take. Meron silang gift din na gustong ibigay sa'yo. Okay? Token of appreciation. In short, MU. MU, malanding ugnayan. Ano man ang meron kayo, situationship or ano ba to? Karamihan kasi ngayon, ganito na ang sitwasyon. May mga bagay na sa inyo lang, sa inyo na lang yun. Basta mahal, kanya walang iba. Di siya lumilingon. Kung paano tatawagin to'y bahala kayo doon sa inyong ugnayan. Malanding ugnayan. Hindi naman malanding ugnayan. Kasi it's all about progress, money, moving forward, being successful, winning, being happy. Yun lang. Gusto mo lang ma-release yung sarili mo to your person, to your wife. Baka you're dealing with a Taurus. Okay? Or siguro, mother energy, gusto nila mag-commit with you, no? Baka ikaw ito for them. Ikaw yung kanilang Queen of Pentacles. Papayag ba kayo maging asawa nila or husband nila? Alright? Babae, lalaki man kayo. There's a proposition, proposal, marriage, yes. Pwede rin trabaho. Pwedeng magkatrabaho kayo. Marriage to co-worker ninyo. Nakakilig naman. Kahit na merong memory of some sort of negativity here, no? With the ex or may karmic dark energy. Unspoken message, I feel a special bond with you that I've never felt before. Yeah, this is your wifey or your hobby. Kaya ganito ka-intimate, ganito ka-wild yung kanilang request. Sobrang specific. Grabe. Nawalan ako ng boses. Parang, buti na lang hindi ako umiinom ng tsaa or kape. Any more unspoken messages? Okay. I love you. I think I always have. Yun yung issue. Tagal na nilang gustong sabihin sa inyo. Yung nararamdaman nila. How much they love you. Okay? Matagal na nilang gusto to. Hindi lang nila inaamin sa inyo or hindi lang nila alam paano aaminin. I will come back for you. This is what you need to know. Babalik sila to fulfill a wish or make a request. Depende ano man ito, okay? For marriage, pero itong, ewan ko, no? Wild thoughts. Wild laughter. Gusto nila kayong sumaya, lumigaya, anuman ito, no? Sex position man ito, fantasy, dream, lahat-lahat na, alright? Kaya sila bumabalik. Meron silang request at the same time, meron din silang proposal. I regret deeply how I treated you. You didn't deserve any of it. Oh. Sobrang sorry. Sobrang sorry na nagkahiwalay kayo. Or siguro, sobrang sorry na kung pakiramdam mo, hindi ka nila pinaglaban. Kung pakiramdam mo, isa sila sa nagpabigat sa inyo, nagdagdag ng problema, or sakit ng ulo. Hindi nila intensyon iyon. Hindi nila alam how to tell you how sorry they are. Parang they are choking up. No? Hindi nila, parang halos maiyak-iyak sila siguro. Or kaya siguro, kinakabahan sila. Tatakot silang umiyak. Or to show their vulnerable side. Or yung soft side nila. Pero, Mahal ka nitong taong ito, no? This is how sorry they are. Ano man yung nangyari. Let bygones be bygones. I think if you're the divine feminine, nakikita nila na you're happy. Natatakot sila na naka-move on ka na. With a Chariot card. Sa sobrang tagal, hindi ka na nakapag-intay. And siguro you're fulfilling your... Ano man ito, no? Oh my. Yun ang kinakatakot nila. Paano kung merong kumuha ng iba sa'yo? Okay? They can't let you go. Kaya sila babalik. At mag-o-offer. Ng seryosong offer. Parang you'll see through them. At sasabihin din nila yung totoo. Parang your person feels naked. Parang hubot-hubad sila. Pag humaharap sila sa inyo, no? Or siguro they see themselves with you. Parang your soulmate, twin flame. Okay? Soulmate, twin flame energy. Marriage. Happiness. Joy. Love. So yan po ang ating late night message from the fairies. Nagsusorry po ang inyong divine counterpart. They want to be your lover. They want to love you. They only love you. They've always loved you. And mukhang masarap ang tulog ng ating divine masculine or divine feminine. Okay? Dahil kayong iniisip nila. I think divine feminine is still waiting. Yun ang totoo. At ang ating masculine, natatakot siya na meron ng iba ang ating divine feminine. How can the divine feminine move on? Mahal ka rin niya eh. Pareho lang kayo ng nararamdaman. Mutual. Okay? MU nga. Okay? 6 of Pentacles. 6 of Wands. 6. Someone's a 6. This is your 6. 6. Sex bomb. I'm your sex bomb. So yan po ang ating late night story. Number for the day, I guess, is 8. Number for the month, siguro ang 8. If you're a 6, tapos ang number mo, 8, you have to find your number 2. Nax. So yung iba rito, merong separation. Tapos, parang kinailangan muna nilang makipaghiwalay para makapag-start sila ng relationship with you. Okay? Wow. Or someone is in a steady relationship na kung hindi marriage to. Kasi ikaw ang kanilang dream. Binalikan talaga nila kayo for this purpose. They want to marry you. They love you. And that's that. Gusto lang nila kayong bigyan ng kaibigan. Wow. You are my best friend, my favorite human. Kaya pala sobra kayong wild. Pareho kayong bastos mag-isip, but at the same time, pure. Ang labo. Okay? Pareho, MU kayo eh. You mirror each other. Pareho kayo ng energy. Sobrang, yeah. So, yan ang ating wild thoughts or late night message with TikkiHope Tarot. Kung na-enjoy niyo po to, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the kalambang na rin po para updated tayo sa ating mga uploads. Good night, my loves. Sweet dreams. Mwah. 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. Gonna hold you tight.